High heels are a source of confidence for women, yet their characteristic click and crack can become a nuisance, particularly in professional settings like business meetings or during presentations. The distracting noise not only diverts attention from the speaker but also disrupts the flow of communication. So, how can you effectively silence this noise while walking in heels? Today you will learn the practical methods I use to quiet my heels. But before that, let's explore the two underlying causes of this upsetting noise. The number one reason is the materials. The materials at which the heels are made greatly affect the loudness of the noise. Materials such as hard plastics or metals contribute to the characteristic click or crack sound, influencing the overall volume and intensity of the noise produced while walking in high heels. Outside the material, another great reason for this noise is the one most heels wearers overlook so much. That is your walking technique. How you walk plays a crucial role in determining the noise level generated by high heels. Factors such as your stride length, foot placement, and gait rhythm can affect the intensity of the noise produced. A smoother, more controlled walking technique typically results in quieter heel movement. I recall the day I entered a business meeting alongside my boss, my footsteps echoing loudly in the room due to my stride length. As we walked in, the mood seemed serious, with people quietly chatting. However, my confidence wavered when I realized all eyes were on me. It wasn't because I didn't look good, I was dressed to impress, but because every step I took echoed loudly through the marble floors. The sound of my heels seemed to amplify in the silence, drawing everyone's attention in my direction. I could feel my cheeks flush with embarrassment as I navigated the space, wishing I could sink into the floor. It was a moment I wasn't prepared for, caught off guard by the unexpected spotlight on my noisy footsteps. Having discussed what causes the noise of high heels, let's now explore 3 effective tips to stop or reduce the sound in your fabulous heels. The first tip is to use a rubber sole cover. By attaching these covers securely to your shoes, you effectively reduce disruptive noise and improve stability, particularly on slippery surfaces. They come in various shapes and sizes to accommodate different heel types, ensuring a snug fit. Additionally, cobblers can assist in the application process, ensuring precision and durability. With rubber sole covers, you can confidently navigate quiet environments without the distraction of loud footsteps. This simple solution not only maintains the tranquility of your surroundings, but also enhances your overall walking experience, making each step smooth and silent. Tip 2, one of my personal favorites, not only silences noisy heels, but also brings additional benefits, all without the need for cobbler's assistance. High heel caps are a simple yet effective solution that you can effortlessly attach yourself. These caps fit snugly onto the tips of your heels, reducing the impact and minimizing noise. They stand out as one of the top choices for heel stoppers due to their ease of use and effectiveness. Before we proceed, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all my subscribers and viewers. You guys are the reason I make videos. The final tip, tip 3, is to use foot foam as a game changer in quieting noisy heels. Crafted from shock-absorbing rubber, this solution offers an effective remedy for loud footsteps. Its application is a breeze. Simply peel off the adhesive backing and affix it to your shoe for instant noise reduction and heightened comfort. Beyond just silencing footsteps, foot foam also provides a cushioning effect, easing the strain on joints and promoting overall comfort. What truly distinguishes foot foam is its user-friendly nature, eliminating the need for professional assistance. With no cobblers or specialized tools required, you can effortlessly apply it yourself. Watch this video to learn the proper ways to walk in high heels.